This is Jill, and this is Jill for today. I am making today a super delicious, super healthy, and super spicy lentil soup. I'm going to make it in my Instant Pot. Even though this is summertime, we really always enjoy a good bowl of soup, especially at lunchtime. And it's going to be great in the Instant Pot, so I don't have to heat up the whole house. So let's get started. My Instant Pot is good and hot. I have it on the saute function, and I have probably 2 teaspoons of olive oil in there. I have some chopped up carrot, chopped up onion, and some chopped up celery, and they're all chopped up, in about the same size, maybe 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. There, I get you in there so you see that. And those are all going to go in, and I'm going to give them just a really quick saute, just to, kind of soften them up a little bit before I start the soup. And I see a big piece of onion in there, which I'm going to take out. All right, and the other thing I was going to show you is I have lentils here. These are the little brown, kind of greenish color lentils. And I have, kind of gone through them to make sure there are no little pebbles or rocks. And I gave them a good rinse. So those are going to go in. And let's see here. I'm going to throw a little parsley in, just some nice chopped parsley. And I will put all the ingredients, of course, and the description down in that description box so you know how to make it. And if you wanted to do this in your own, on a stove, in just a pot, you certainly can do that. Just, adjust the time. You can saute the vegetables and add the lentils and the liquid and put a lid on it, and probably would take maybe an hour, a little bit maybe more, but you can certainly do it in a regular pot on the stove. You don't have to have an Instant Pot. All right, now I have some beautiful spices. I have some cumin, a little bit of turmeric, some cayenne pepper, which of course, that's optional. If you don't like a really hot, spicy, item, you don't have to put it in. And there's some salt and pepper. I'll put those in. Just kind of get those toasted up, just warmed up. Oh my goodness, does that smell good with the onions? And oh my gosh, it smells good. Okay, and now I'm going to turn it off. I don't want it to saute any longer. I don't want to burn those spices. I just want it to warm them up. So I've got now, I'm going to put in 2 cloves of garlic. As I said, this is going to be really spicy and delicious. Okay, and there's my 2 cloves of garlic. And in go my lentils. And then I'm going to add some water. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of the where's the label? No, wrong way. There we go. The Better Than Bouillon vegetable stock. I still did a bad job of showing that label to you. Alrighty, I'm going to just kind of give that a little stir and get that off of my spoon. If you could smell it, it's just, it smells wonderful. So I'm going to put the lid on my Instant Pot now. And I'm going to make sure it's on sealed. We don't want any venting going on. And I'm going to turn my pot on and now to manual. And I'm going to give it 6 minutes. That's what it's going to take. There, it is set. Okay, I have set my timer for 6 minutes. I am going to let it do a total natural release. If you were really you could wait 10 minutes and then just slowly take some of that pressure off a little at a time. But, I have learned the lesson the hard way is, you go a quick release on beans or rice and it's just, it's all over the place. So I do a natural release all the way till the little tab drops. Once that is done, I'm going to open up a pot and we're going to take a look and we're going to take a taste. So we'll be back. Well, this pot is done. It cooked for 6 minutes and did a natural release all the way down to my little thing knocked down. So I'm going to open up the pot. I haven't looked in here yet. We're going to take a look in here and then we're going to taste it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, oh gosh. It smells really, really good. And it looks great too. Let me give this a little stir. Oh yeah, look how nice and thick. And it looks very rich. Well, I'm going to serve us up a bowl and then we are going to taste this beautiful lentil soup. Well, this looks really yummy. Now, I know you're not a fan of lentils, and
No.
I'll be honest, I have fixed lentil soup in the past, and you've eaten it. Yeah, I did a lot of spiciness in this
It
one.
smells spicy.
I'm hoping that this, kind of rings your bell.
Get a lot of lentils in there.
It's hot. It's really hot. What do you think of that with the spice instead? Oh, I see that. I don't know. It's kind of.
I'm not sure.
Oh, does it need any salt? I put almost.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, I oversalted.
No, I don't
Oh.
think you oversalted. I just don't think it needs any salt.
Oh man. And see, I think that's delicious. What I love is really that is a very rich, savory broth.
It is.
You would think there was. This is all plant-based. There's no chicken stock, beef stock, any of those things in there. Doesn't it have a really wonderful, rich taste? I think.
Wonderful might be overstated case,
Okay.
but it's good.
Do you like it? Because I told you the last time I made them, last couple times I made lentil soup. I said I don't know.
It's not my favorite soup.
I
but
realize that.
It's very good. It's very good. I'll eat it.
It's high protein. It's oh my gosh, all of the minerals.
Ooh.
Yeah, baby. I just ratcheted that up, didn't I?
Yeah. Cumin and
There's cumin and cayenne and a little turmeric
I
in
can
it.
taste it. But no, it's pretty good.
I'm like, oh, he's picking
Try
up
it
the
again.
bowl. This is good. When he picks up the bowl and he tries it again, he's trying it again.
That's pretty good.
Oh my word. Ta-da! Well, anytime I can make something now that he likes, because some of these things he's been kind of iffy on, I think I'm actually moving him towards garbanzo beans.
I've had garbanzo beans recently, and they've been very good.
I know.
And
So,
that's good.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I'd eat that.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. All right, well, that's wonderful news. Okay, so I'll put the recipe as I made it today in the description box with the ingredients. And I'll put a big star on there that says he likes it.
It's a good soup. If I like lentils, it's good.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear that. All right, well, that's good then.
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you tell your friends. I'm cooking a lot more plant-based now. And you might tell people who you know that like plant-based food to come on over. And we will see you later. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.